We're going to talk a little bit about constant engine operation. And with constant engine operation, it would be as if we took both throttles and we pushed them together, just like I've got it. That would be constant engine speed, meaning that there is no droop, the engine is not allowed to increase or decrease, so we're trying to maintain or hold the engine operation consistent. Normal operation, what I would tell you to do is to split the throttles. If you're looking for constant engine speed, we have two buttons that sit right here. And if I depress the button, what's going to happen is the engine RPM on a CVT tractor is automatically going to go up to the operation or to the speed that I have pre-selected. For example, let's assume that I'm running a grain cart. When I run a grain cart, some people want to run at pure PTO speed or at 1,000 RPM on the PTO shaft, which is 1,800. Other people don't want to run that fast and maybe want to run the PTO speed at something less than that, maybe 1,700 engine RPM. So if I have this button selected as 1,700, the engine RPMs, as you can hear and see, automatically go up to whatever I have got it set at. And then I can work this two buttons right here. The top one will take the engine RPMs up, so I can increase the RPM. The bottom one will bring it down. I have two different settings on here, so I can change my settings or my speed as I go through the field, either with the PTO or without the PTO. However, if you are working with PTO and you are working for pure performance, remember that we want to have the split throttle set on the tractor.